All right, everybody, here's your core bites number 21. So please check your answers. 4 groups of blank are 32. What they're asking you is 4 times what gives you 32, because that's how you'll have your 4 groups. So you know that 4 times 8 gives you 32, so 8 is your answer. Number 2. Crocker's Bakery needs to pack 175 donuts in boxes. If each box holds 8 donuts, about how many boxes are needed? Choose the best estimate. We've been doing that in math recently. Okay, so if you take 175, okay, and if you round it up to the tens place, right? The 7 is going to talk to the 5. The 5 is going to tell it to round up. So that would give you 180, right? Okay, so if each one will hold 8 donuts, so if you divide 180 divided by 10, because 8 is close to 10 if you round it, right? So that would give you 18, because the zeros cancel out. 18 divided by 1 gives you 18. So the number that would be closest to 18 if we're estimating would be 20. So the answer would be 20 boxes, and that would be your closest estimate. Okay? For number 3, it says which statement is true? 5/10 is less than 75 hundredths, 5/10 is greater than 75 hundredths, or 5/10 is equal to 75 hundredths. So we know C is totally out of the picture because they're not equal. Now, you may not know this yet, but with decimals, the further you go here, the number is going to change on the bottom. So this is going to be tenths. This is going to be hundredths, okay? So this is like having 50 cents. This is like having 75 cents, right? Think of money, okay? So 50 cents is less than 75 cents. 50 cents is not greater than 75 cents. So your best answer there is going to be A. For number 4, it says the sum of the measure of angles 1 and 2 together is 105 degrees, and the angle 1 measures 30 degrees. What is the measure of angle 2? All right, so together, all of these, both of these equal 105 degrees. And then alone, angle 1 measures 30 degrees. And they're asking you what would be the measure of angle 2. So if you subtract your total, which would be 105 degrees, subtract the 30 degrees, and that will give you the missing angle. So 5 minus 0 is 5. Regroup. Bring your 10 over. 10 minus 3 would give you 7. So your answer for angle 2 would be 75 degrees. And then for your last question, is the dotted line a line of symmetry? The answer would be no, because if you fold this over, it's going to be hanging off. There's going to be random corners. It's a great pentagon, but it would have been so much better if they had done it right down the center, right? So the answer for that is no. So please check yours, guys.